Hello, what's up YouTube? Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Civil Engineer. Actually, I am a civil engineer, and in this video we are going to see about the history of cement. The history of cement goes way back to the Roman Empire, where they mixed the lime with the volcanic ash that they get from the land called Pozzolana. So they mixed these two elements, the lime and the volcanic ash, to create a lime mortar, so which is the base for the modern cement that we are using today. But the lime mortar is not very popular among the globe. It is only popular when after the Roman Empire, when during the colonial age, the British civil engineer John Cementon experimented more on this lime mortar, and he found that the lime mortar's hardness and strength totally depends upon the clay content that it has. So what he done is that he done lot of experiment with the ratio of the clay and the lime, and he found that by increasing the clay content, the lime mortar becomes more stronger and harder. So he used this property to create a lighthouse in the English Channel where the waves are more, but he accomplished in completing the lighthouse in the English Channel, which is a very essential infrastructure during that period of time for the British Empire. So he just constructed the lighthouse because during that period British needed that infrastructure, very essential, because British naval ships need to be navigated through the lighthouse. So since it is a very important infrastructure, they made John Cementon as the father of civil engineering. So during that period, British is very stronger around the globe. So everybody accepted John Cementon as father of civil engineering, and still we are using it the same. Okay. So, but he didn't invented the modern Portland cement that we are using today. Actually, he just created the lime mortar, okay, which is the base. Then after that, during the 19th century, more research came, but actually the process that we are using today, that is the calcinization of the lime, which is we called as clinker formation, that is actually created by William Aspdin. So he actually invented the modern Portland cement that we are using today. So William Aspdin is the actual founder of the Portland cement that we are using today. So the Portland cement get its name from the stones called the Portland stones. The Portland stones are obtained from the island of Portland, which is actually in England. It's an island. So from that island, they take the rocks, which they call the Portland stones. These stones are used for the construction of the castles in England and the houses of higher class peoples. So since it has that much amount of prestigious thing the stones have, this cement also resembles the same properties that of the stone, and it also resembles the same color as that of the Portland stones. So he named as Portland cement. So that becomes more popular because instead of transporting stones that much heavy, transporting this powder is very much easy, and it gets hardened at a very lesser time. So this Portland cement becomes more popular, and everybody started using it. So this modern Portland cement has been created, and the total process of clinker formation and calcinization and the aluminum silicates thing, everything is created by William Aspdin. Okay. So this is what the history of the cement, and from then on we are now using, everybody is using the Portland cement, and it becomes more popular and common nearly around the world. Everybody, we are using cement. So this is what the history of the cement. And if we want more updates like this in civil engineering, hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so that you won't lose any of our updates. Until then, it's signing off, the civil engineer.